If you suffer with high blood pressure, this video is for you. I'm going to go through my 5 tips for hypertension that you need to know. Okay, tip number 1 is to get more natural sunlight exposure. And we know that sunlight helps to dilate our blood vessels, which of course we know better blood flow is going to help to lower and manage our blood pressure. In this study, it was actually found, and recent research indicates that UV light enhances nitric oxide availability by mobilizing storage forms in the skin and suggesting incident solar UV radiation may help to lower blood pressure. So yeah, they've actually studied this, the fact that getting that natural sunlight is going to increase and dilate those blood vessels by the method of that increase in nitric oxide. Okay, number 2 on my list is magnesium. Now, most of us are simply not getting enough magnesium in our daily diets. Often supplementation goes a long way, and my favorite type to take is a magnesium bisglycinate. This helps to dilate blood vessels. It helps to relax the nervous system, and just always look for a magnesium bisglycinate. Of course, that doesn't have magnesium stearate in it, that flow agent, and no other fillers or flow agents. The one that I take is the one that actually dissolves in water very well, and it is something that I prefer to take actually in the morning because it does help with stress levels throughout the day, helps with metabolism, helps to regulate the proper beating of your heart as well, so really important for cardiovascular health, but also helps with that hypertension. Okay, tip number 3 is to use some herbal medicines, and some of my favorites that help to actually increase our venous flow, so helps with our blood flow, helps to strengthen veins, are horse chestnut, gotu kola, butcher's broom, and citrus bioflavonoids. And this combination is fantastic for actually helping to lower that blood pressure by increasing that proper backflow of that blood back up to the heart and making sure that circulation is optimized. Okay, number 4 on my list is reducing stress. We know that there's definitely the correlations between having a high blood pressure and your stress levels. So whatever that means for you, whether that's exercise and maybe that's less exercise, maybe it's more relaxation, meditation, spending more time in nature, outdoors, really important for your overall stress reduction to help to lower that blood pressure. And tip number 5 is to follow Mother Nature's prescription. So this is something that I wrote about in my new book, and it's all about getting natural sunlight exposure, doing grounding. So taking off your socks and shoes, getting outside, connecting with the earth, connecting with those electrons from the earth. And this has actually been studied. If we look at this research, that grounding patients who have hypertension actually improved their blood pressure, and there was an average decrease of 14.3% in these hypertensive patients who just simply did some grounding. So whatever you can do, whether that's wearing leather-soled shoes, taking off your socks and shoes, getting outside, connecting with the Earth's electrons, super, super important for your overall health and for your hypertension. Now, you may question, okay, how do I do that and how do I do it safely? Well, I want you to learn more in this video, 6 safe sun exposure tips. I'll see you there.